Hello friends, for my dinner tonight, I'm going to be making beef back ribs. I will use smoked paprika, Italian seasoning, some seasoning salt, of course garlic powder, and it's going to be baked in my oven, and then I'll put a sauce on it. Very carefully, holding your piece of back rib, try and scrape the fat, keeping the knife away from yourself. As much as you can. So I've done this one here, and this is the fat I've taken out from both. And I'll go ahead and do some more, but I just wanted to show you, you should keep it away from yourself whilst you're doing this. Okay? Here is all the fat that I've taken off that we do not need. I pat it all dry, and I'll start with sprinkling some seasoning salt, garlic, and I have covered my Pyrex dish with foil so it doesn't get very dirty. Some Italian seasoning, smoked paprika, rub nicely, turn around, not you, for the back ribs. And the same, seasoning salt, garlic, Italian seasoning, and smoked paprika on the other side as well. And now I'm going to give this a really good rub. I'll let this sit for about 10 minutes, and I will put this in my oven at 400 degrees. I'm going to cover it with foil on top, and I will put it in the oven. I will be using the spicy gourmet sauce. It's a barbecue sauce. A little bit of smoked paprika and a little bit of garlic powder, and I'm going to brush the back ribs when they're done. I'm just going to put some of that barbecue sauce, about a teaspoon of paprika, and some garlic powder. And I'll add a little bit of water to this. Here is the water. And I'll just stir this till it thickens a bit. This will give more of that smoky paprika taste, as well as a little bit more of the garlic. Cook this down very well. Put a little more water. I'm just going to stir it and make sure I mix everything well. I'll put the heat up a bit now so it thickens and it bubbles. There you go. And here's my sauce, which is basting sauce. That's ready. I'm going to have the stove off now. I kept this further in the oven for another half hour. So in all, 1.5 hours. Now, everybody's oven is different. You can just check to see if it's falling off the bone. And you can pierce it and see how soft it is. For example, here, this is really soft meat. I don't want it sitting in the fat. I'm taking them out and placing them on paper towel for now. And I'm going to replace the foil and remove this oil foil, and I'll put another clean foil in here, and then I'll baste it and put it in the oven for maybe 5 minutes. I've changed the foil so that it doesn't have all that oil on it, and I'm just going to baste it with the hot barbecue sauce, and it's giving a nice little reddish color here, so I like that. And you can see it's falling off the bone. I've turned it around and I'm going to baste the other side as well. And you don't have to put it back in the oven if you don't want to. This basting is already cooked. And it's going to be a little spicy. Back in the oven without covering it for about 5 minutes. And here you have it, my friends, a beautiful platter with beef back ribs, grape tomatoes, Tuscan chickpea salad, not forgetting garlic bread, and some more garlic bread here. My family is just waiting to finish all of this. I hope you do try this recipe. This is fall off the bone meat. It's so soft. You can pick it with your hands and eat it as well. It's really delicious. This is family style. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.